Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to find mycelium in Minecraft. Mycelium is a unique block that looks like dirt covered in purple particles. It's quite special because it only appears in one specific biome, making it a bit of a treasure hunt. Understanding where to look and what to expect will make your search much more efficient. Let's dive into the details of locating this valuable block. The only place you will find mycelium naturally generating is within the mushroom fields biome. These biomes are quite rare and often appear as large, isolated islands in the middle of vast oceans. When you spot one, you'll immediately notice the distinctive landscape, dominated by giant red and brown mushrooms. This unique environment is the sole home for mycelium blocks. To successfully locate a mushroom field's biome, you'll need to embark on some serious exploration. Traveling across vast ocean expanses by boat is a common method, or if you have an elytra, flying can significantly speed up the process. Remember, these biomes are often far from your initial spawn point. Patience and persistent exploration are key to discovering this unique location. Once you've found mycelium, you'll discover its fantastic benefits. Mushrooms can grow on mycelium blocks regardless of the light level, which is incredibly useful for farming. Another great advantage is that hostile mobs cannot spawn on mycelium, making it a safe surface. To bring mycelium back to your base, simply use a tool enchanted with silk touch to mine it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.